it to Irwindale Speedway. I feel like we're here all the time now, but today's a different event than usual. There's actually a drift event going on. That's why you hear those crazy cars. And I think Sam from 412 is here too, drifting his new drift car, so it's gonna be lit. My shooter, new camera, new masks. Guys, go cop the masks. Link down below. Shop FindingNick.com. Look at that. Jeez. Guys, these masks are fire if anyone wants one. They keep you warm, they look hard, and you look like a little shooter. Go cop them, guys. They're almost sold out. Josh's Lambo, my GTR, Peter's M4. But yeah, what's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button right now before we get into the video, and enjoy the vlog, guys. It should be pretty lit. A lot of drifting in this vlog. The music's a little loud, but look, there's an M2, wet M2. I like the livery. It's honestly pretty sick, like for a race car livery. Even a livery like this on the E46 would kind of be pretty sick. A bunch of Z's. This looks just like mine, but in a 370 version. So clean, look at that. Oh, hell no, that shit's scary, bro. Oh boy, really has a whole ass. Oh hell no, brother. That shit, look, I don't even want to get close to it. It's looking scary. Look at this, guys. We made it. That's Rome. This guy actually built my roll cage in my E46, guys. Fun fact. He's a fabricator, but he's also a drifter. Man, those cars are sick. I think it's a rotary, bro. It sounds crazy.
Can I take a picture with you?
Yeah, let's do it. You watch my videos?
Yeah.
For real? It's okay. Hey, you got it? Of course, bro. The LS sounds so good. The V8. Bro, drifting is so sick, bro. I gotta fix my car. You guys hear how loud the LS is, though? That shit is screaming, bro. I wanted to do an LS in my E46, but Sam didn't want to do it, so we did the BMW motor, but still. One day I want to build an LS swap the car. Or just buy a vet with it already in there, huh? It's an E46 M3 with the LS in it, and then that thing, which I think it's a rotary in there. I don't even know what kind of car it is. A Miata? I don't know. Look at the drones. Those drones are sick, bro. They're literally as fast as the car. Look at how sick that is, bro. Bro, like being in the back, I don't know how the second car is able to see with all that smoke, bro. Bro, that shit sounds sick. Look at the turbo just hanging out the whole hood, bro. He sounds so crazy. It's still going. Alright guys, now we're going behind the scenes to check out all the drift cars. This is where all the pit is, pretty much, where everyone comes and swaps tires and stuff like that. I'm gonna try to find Sam's car. I know he's back here somewhere. I've never seen his new drift build, I think. Look at this, RX-7? Damn. He's sick. I love looking at drift cars, guys. All gutted and caged. This just looks so sick. 135 eyes? Sick. What is that, Peter? A filter? Oh my god. I feel it's a little overkill, no? It looks crazy. Damn, bro, these drift cars are crazy. This one's sick. I met this guy before. He's actually really good. Look, guys, this is Sam's new drift car. I don't know if you guys have seen it on the vlog or not, but yeah, Sam used to have the E30 drift car. Now he swapped to this 135, right, body? And it looks sick, bro. Got the little wastegates out the roof. I mean, out the hood. Sick, bro. Conce wheels. And I think it has a whole carbon dash. Look at that. Damn. Yeah, Sam made this thing crazy. I have not got to see it yet. And it sounds insane. Too bad he's not drifting it right now, but yeah, that thing is so beautiful. Look at the wide body kit. Sheesh. One day we'll get a ride in it. Go with Sam to the track or something. E90 M3. You need a car wash, bro.
Let me get some quarters.
Look at this. This thing is so clean though. Even if it's dirty, it's still clean. And it's supercharged. He was the one drifting that blue Mustang a long time ago in my vlog. Like the crazy street drifting. That car looks sick. It's crazy because drift cars can look like all beat up, but they're still clean. Look at that. I like it. This shit's hard. Too bad we didn't get to see all these guys drift. Oh my god, what happened? You hit something? Damn.
A little bit of wall action, you know.
A wall happened.
Wall, some flames, you know, catches the car. The other side caught on fire.
What the? Guys, look over here. TJ Hunt's BRZ. I think he was here drifting today too, but we just came here a little too late, so we only saw a little bit of drifting, but look at this. So clean, bro. Damn, it's beautiful. Literally like a show car. It's just so clean. Really like these new BRZs, guys. I like them a lot. Like the homie Chris has one, and it's so beautiful. This is the new Street Hunter kit with HREs. So hard. That one or Chris's?
That shit looks.
Choice, huh? For real?
I don't really
Over
like
Chris?
I mean, yeah.
This looks like a track setup.
Yeah. That's what I like.
Yeah, Chris is like stanced up, but this is like a track setup. Looks clean though. Josh won a trophy, bro!
I'm famous!
Best exotic, and we got here late. Oh, R32. Oh, that shit is sick, bro. Josh is lit, bro.
I don't know
How you do that, Josh?
one on one, man, you know.
It just happens?
It just happened.
Nah, you better
The small one's bad? Look at this little race car. That thing is crazy. It's probably so much fun to drive. It's like a K1 speed car on crack. We got the same camera now.
The same camera, bro.
Damn, bro. That shit is sick. I didn't think it was gonna sound like that. God damn. This one's hella clean.
Looks fast as fuck.
You got welds in the front and the back.
This sounds sick.
Carbon fiber, little trunk, roll cage. That's sick, bro. That Supra is set up perfectly.
And we will have a JDM car come to the channel soon with a full run build, probably my first like.
Guys, look at this. TJ Hunt's 370. I didn't know this thing was on nitrous. So sick. Look at all the nitrous bottles. But yeah, this is his like pretty much practice car, right? And then he has like the competition car and all that stuff. It's crazy because he drifts like the stock 370 with all these high horsepower drift cars. And it keeps up, bro. Look who it is, guys. I spy Sam. E46? This is the one that was drifting. True Sam! Again, I didn't get to see you drift, bro.
Because you're lazy, you don't get you wake up early. That's the problem.
Yes, I filmed 2 videos today.
I fucked up.
Why?
I lost to a guy by accident.
Oh my god.
I should have just maybe.
This grind don't stop till the motherfucking casket drop. You don't gotta worry about the loss because it's a lesson at the end of the day. Don't let me get to preaching. You hear what little baby said. They call me preacher because my words hit them like sermons, okay?
Josh is getting motivational. Sam, you want to race? My GTR versus the BMW?
Yeah.
Who do you think will win?
At the drag right now?
This is what I miss. I miss Sam drifting. But that car is crazy.
Yeah, it is. And I'm still trying to get used to it.
But you don't have a drift car like that?
You have a drift car.
I swear. But he built it. It's just like that, bro. I swear. It's like that, gutted.
E46.
E46. And it's gutted like that too, like the same interior.
Why didn't I film with this thing?
I know. This thing is clean, guys. It literally reminds me a little bit of mine. It's crazy. E46. Oh, dude, I need to do that dash, bro. I need to take some tips, guys. First of all, I need to fix my car, but I want mine to look like this, even though it kind of does. But yeah, it's cool to see another E46 drift car. Where the flames at? I'm trying to make Peter do flames, but it's not shooting flames.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.